Neural columns. Here we can see the transverse sections of a developing neural tube. Sulcus limitans divides the neural tube into anterior basal plate. Three efferent columns develops from this. Posterior alar plate. Alar means efferent, which means sensory. Four efferent columns develop from this. Anterior basal plate develops to form anterior horn cells or ventral motor horns. They control skeletal muscles, intermediolateral horn cells. They control visceral muscles, cardiac or smooth muscles. Anterior horn cells form the general somatic efferent column. Intermediolateral horn cells form the general visceral efferent column. Dorsal horn cells form the general visceral efferent column. General somatic efferent column. Motor components. Somatic motor. Motor innervation to skeletal muscle. Visceral motor. Motor innervation to smooth muscle, cardiac muscle and glands. Sensory components. Somatic sensory. Touch, pain, pressure, vibration, temperature and proprioception from the skin, body wall, limbs. Special. Hearing, equilibrium and vision. In sensory components, visceral sensory. General. Stretch, pain, temperature, chemical changes, irritation in viscera, nausea and hunger. Special. Taste and smell. Somatic sensory. Special is hearing, equilibrium, vision. Hearing, equilibrium and vision is somatic sensory. Taste and smell is visceral sensory. Motor column, efferent column, sensory column, afferent column. General somatic efferent. All skeletal muscles except pharyngeal arch muscles includes eyeball and tongue muscles. Somatic efferent columns. General somatic afferent. It carries general sensations such as touch, pain, temperature, pressure, proprioception, etc. For example, skeletal muscle spasm. It includes three sensory nuclei of cranial nerve, 5. In motor efferent columns, special visceral efferent. In that pharyngeal arch muscles, it includes cranial nerve 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. Special visceral afferent. It transmits information regarding smell and taste. It includes 1, 7, 9, 10. General visceral efferent. Visceral, cardiac and smooth muscle and glands. Includes parasympathetic cranial nerve 3, 7, 9, 10. General visceral afferent. It carries general visceral sensations like angina, colicky pain. It also carries information from viscera such as carotid body and carotid sinus. Special somatic efferent. Special somatic sensations like vision and hearing and balance. Includes cranial nerve 2 and 7. Special somatic afferent. Special somatic sensations like vision and hearing and balance. Vision is eye, hearing and balance is ear. It includes cranial nerve 2 and cranial nerve 8. Motor columns, efferent columns, sensory columns, afferent columns. General somatic efferent, special visceral efferent, general visceral efferent. Afferent columns. General somatic afferent, special visceral afferent, general visceral afferent, special somatic afferent. Special somatic afferent is extra.